Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to save your spreadsheet document become a PDF format. So the thing that you have to do, find the documents that you want to convert into the PDF. So let me show you. Here is the documents that I will let to transform from Google Sheets document to PDF. So to transform it, just need to go click these three small dots right here, and after that you just need to go click this share and export. And this option, you just need to go click this print. And now you just need to wait until the system is generated for you, and you'll see that there is one document here, and then you just need to go click this share button and scrolling down until you find this save to files. And I just need to find the folder that you want to save the documents, and you can see here those documents will be automatically converted into the PDF form. So that is the way how to save your Google Sheet documents become PDF format. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel guys, and see you for the next video.